Say you spent your summer in the rain. Driving up the coast, I felt the same.
Angelica, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang didib si John Arnold na ipakamangal paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Ikaw naman, John Arnold, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang didib si Angelica na ipakamangal at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
It doesn't matter if the stars forget us. It doesn't matter if the world don't know our names. It doesn't
Our
matter.
brand new couple for this year 2025. Here is Arnold and Anne.
We are and we are in love. We are and we are in love. We are and we are in love.
I think, talagang siya yung tinadhana talaga sa akin. Kasi, despite everything na nangyari, kasi it was my own choice na maghiwalay kami.
Hindi talaga kami magkasundo nun. Then after a year, ayun na, nagkabalikan na kami. Sa text lang ulit.
Ako yung nag-message sa kanya after a year.
Then ako naman, si reply agad.
Doon ko nalaman na interesado pa rin siya. Kasi sabi ko, sige na, kasi wala na akong load. Niloadan niya ako. Sabi ko, ay, interesado pa to.
I saw you. It doesn't matter if the stars forget us. It doesn't matter if the
Dali na kasi naiiyak na ako.
Thank you sa pagpapalaki sa aming magkakapatid, lalong-lalo na sa akin. Sa mga gabay at mga hampas ng hangir mong binigay.
we are and we are in love. We
Hindi, tuwi matagal nilang plano yun eh. Ngayon matutupad na kaya ako masaya para sa inyo. At sana yung binuo niyong pagmamahal, tuloy-tuloy.
We are and we are in love. We are and we are in love. We are and we are in love.
B, I know you'll love this gift and I can't wait to see you later, my love.
B, eto na yung matagal mo ng request. Eto na din yung last gift ko bilang mag-boyfriend at girlfriend. Sana magustuhan mo. More to come and see you later. I love you.
Words if you dare to know that we are and we are in love. 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 We are and we are in love.
Bagaman alam ko matagal na kayo, 16 na taon nang nakalipas, ang lahat pala ay uwi din sa tinatawag na kasal.
Ito ang dahilan kaya iniiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina upang sumama sa kanyang asawa, sapagkat sila'y nagiging isa.
Ay, kaya na.
2009, nung nagsimula ang love story namin bilang high school sweethearts na walang kahit ano, walang pang date, may walang pambiling bulalo sa Santa Cruz. Salamat.
is none like you.
Tinanggap mo ako ng buong buo.
No one else can touch my heart like you do. I could search for all eternity long.
Finally, after 16 long years, this lasting love and commitment are truly worth celebrating. Our love has endured it all. From being textmates to high school sweethearts. And now we stand here as husband and wife.
There is none like you.
Akala nila ang swerte mo kasi first boyfriend na nauwi sa kasalan. Ang hindi nila alam, maswerte ako sa'yo. Kasi lahat ng binigay ko, binalik mo ng sobra-sobra.
I think because he's very patient with me, like despite everything, kahit medyo short-tempered ako, he's the opposite.
Your mercy flows like a river.
You are the only man that I love and that I have ever loved, and I vow to continue loving you, respecting you, and sharing both laughter and tears with you.
Suffering children are safe in your arms. Oh Lord, there is none like you. There is none like you.
Sa harap ng buong pamilya natin at sa harap ng altar, pangako kahit anong mangyari, sasamahan at aalagaan kita araw-araw sa habang buhay.
I promise to make you coffee every morning, scratch your back at night, and love you endlessly, today, tomorrow, and beyond.
Saksiyan natin ang pinakaunang halik na may basbas ng Panginoon bilang mag-asawa. Giancarlo, you may now kiss your wife, Angelica.
Eternity long.